Hi everyone! Welcome to today's spice mix video where I'll be teaching you how to make an easy and inexpensive version of Garam Masala, which is a very popular spice blend that originated in South Asia. Now Garam Masala is very versatile. It pairs very nicely with meat, roasted vegetables, almost any type of gravy or curry, stews, etc. You can add a pinch to almost any dish for a burst of flavor. But remember, just a pinch because this blend is packed with very strong spices. Our goal with this project is to share spice blend recipes that are as accessible as possible to other college students, so this recipe does deviate from the traditional version, which calls for whole spices that are sautéed and then ground up to make a powder. But today I'll be showing you how to make garam masala with just a few ground spices you may already have at home. Here are the whole spices that would be used traditionally. We have cloves, coriander or cilantro, cumin, red chilies, nutmeg, black pepper, cardamom, and cinnamon sticks. To simplify it, we'll be adding the powdered form of each ingredient to a plate and then mixing them all together. To start off, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, which has great antioxidant properties that help protect your cells. Then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, also known as cilantro, which helps with indigestion due to it being high in fiber. Now it's time to add 2 teaspoons of ground cardamom, which is highly fragrant and can be used both in sweet and savory recipes, and it's great at getting rid of bad breath. Next, we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, which has powerful antimicrobial properties. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, which is a powerful antioxidant, and it helps improve the absorption of turmeric. Next, add half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg and half a teaspoon of ground cloves. Nutmeg and cloves go very well together and also pair well with ginger. They both have antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. The last ingredient is optional, but you can add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne or chili powder for an extra kick. Now you just have to mix the powders together and that's it. You have your very own homemade garam masala. I know that you may not have some of these spices in your kitchen, but it might be a good idea to invest in a few of them instead of just buying a tiny $5 jar of garam masala or any other spice mix, because then you can mix, match, or leave out certain spices to create the flavor you want and get all these nutritional benefits for future dishes. Also, don't hesitate to make this even if you don't have all the ingredients I mentioned. No matter what, your dish will have a great flavor, but remember to only use a tiny bit, especially if you're sensitive to spice. If you'd like to learn more about the nutritional benefits of each spice in garam masala, check out @Shack on Instagram, where we have a post highlighting this spice blend. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.